This is the fascinating world inside a honeybee hive. It all starts with the queen. She meticulously deposits an egg into each cell, setting the stage for new life. Deep within the hive, maintaining the perfect temperature is an essential task. A worker bee enters into the cell. Its motionless body acts as a living heater to ensure the brood's development. With antennas twitching, a worker bee inspects the brood cells with meticulous precision. These short and long inspections reveal critical details about the health and needs of the larvae within. The journey of new life begins as the larva hatches from its egg, emerging into the world for the first time. With gentle, gradual movements, it flexes and bends, preparing to grow and thrive within the protective walls of the hive. A newly hatched larva receives its first taste of nourishment as a worker bee carefully provides food. With precise movements, the worker delivers a rich, nutritious jelly, ensuring the larva's healthy growth. When the hive becomes too warm, the bees spring into action to cool it down. A worker delicately deposits a droplet of water onto the cell wall where it evaporates, reducing the temperature and protecting the brood. In a rare and intimate display of care, a worker bee feeds a larva directly, mouth to mouth. This extraordinary behavior ensures the larva receives precisely the nourishment it needs to thrive. As the larvae prepare for their next stage of development, the workers get to work sealing their cells. Using precise motions, they carefully cap each cell with wax, creating a safe cocoon for the pupating bees within. The larva begins its transformation, spinning a cocoon within the safety of its cell. With rhythmic, deliberate movements, it completes this intricate process, marking the start of its journey to adulthood. Within the hive, larvae continue their growth under the attentive care of worker bees. As they develop, workers ensure their environment is clean and stocked with the necessary nutrients, preparing them for their next transformation. In the quiet shadows of the hive, workers take on the difficult but necessary task of sustaining the colony. They begin consuming unviable larvae through cannibalism, recycling valuable proteins, ensuring the colony's resources are conserved and directed toward healthy brood. In the battle against parasitic threats, worker bees take swift and decisive action. They detect and consume varroa mites, eliminating the danger before it can harm the developing brood, and prepare the cell for another larva by thoroughly cleaning it. Worker bees then engage in a display of mutual care. Through allo-grooming, they clean each other, removing debris and parasites, strengthening their social bonds and maintaining the colony's collective health. In the hive, pollen is more than just stored, it's carefully prepared. Workers pack it tightly into cells, mixing it with saliva or nectar to create bee bread, a nutritious staple for the colony. Inside the hive, workers demonstrate their incredible versatility as builders. Using wax strings, they reshape and remodel the comb, adapting the hive structure to meet the colony's ever-changing needs. Deep in the hive, worker bees tend to the colony's food supply with precision. They regurgitate nectar onto the upper cell walls, allowing it to spread and ripen into honey, ready to sustain the hive. As the nectar ripens into honey, the workers return to the cells to consume it. Using their proboscis, they extract the sweet liquid, turning it into energy to fuel their tireless work within the hive. Keeping the hive clean is important for the colony's survival. Workers perform a unique rocking motion, using their legs and mandibles to scrape away debris and maintain spotless surfaces. This meticulous effort ensures the hive remains a healthy and safe environment. Through their teamwork and dedication, the colony thrives, securing a future for the next generation.